What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. This is another Rick and Morty sock collection. I picked these up at Spencer's Gifts, and I'm a big fan of Rick and Morty. It's a hilariously funny show. Wouldn't say it's really for kids. It's pretty raunchy with some of the humor. But this is a sock set that Spencer Gifts put together. It says $14.99, but I think when I cashed out, it came out cheaper. I bought this like over a month ago. But I wanted to show it off. This is really cool. Someone mentioned in my last Rick and Morty sock set I should have shown wearing it. And I don't think I really want to show my feet like that. So you're just going to have to see it like this. The first one, of course, has Rick on it. And they make it fuzzy where his hair is, which I think is really cool. So that's a cool design. What I like about these are the short ones. Ankle ones. Now, my only other problem with the other Rick and Morty socks is they're the longer socks, and I don't like those kind of socks anymore. I used to. Now, I just want them shorter. Easier to get on, easier to get off. So there's that one. And then here's one with Morty. Happy Morty. Always cool to have something with Pickle Rick. There's Rick flying through space, basically. And then a very upset Morty. If you haven't seen Rick and Morty, you should check it out. Again, it is has a lot of swear words, raunchy humor. So if you're younger or you have younger kids, you might not want them to see it, but that's up to you. But this is done by Spencer's Gifts. Adult Swim does Rick and Morty. This is made in China. And that is it. Very cool. I just want to do a quick video and show them off. There's Rick, the smartest man in the universe. Rick Sanchez, actually, is the name of the character. But alright. Any comments, questions? Please let me know. You know what to do. Put them below. And talk to you again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.